What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Cardo. And you see what's going on. This is my very first mukbang. Piece of mukbang. So you know what's going on. A whole lot of wings, a whole lot of piece of finger licking. First, I need you to like and subscribe and hit the button so you can be notified, man.
What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Cardo. Now I need you to hit the bell, hit the button so you can be notified.
What's up, you guys? As you can see, here we are. So I started eating already. I was hungry as shit. But let you know what we got. It's the spicy, a spicy lover from Pizza Hut. I'm gonna take another bite on that motherfucker.
Boy, that bite there was everything. Shit. Where your water at? Shit. Spice. Boy. No dog. Another bite.
Some ranch, baby.
Boy, that pepper took the fuck, boy.
I gotta have ranch with my pizza. This the new spicy lover pizza.
Nigga smack it like a motherfucker.
Woo. I was sweating. Put a little ranch on there.
Boy, all that damn ranch you been dip cinnamon sticks, ain't it, boy?
Right. But yeah. But you know. Very first mukbang.
Just like a nigga. All this spicy shit. Ain't got no water.
I tell you one thing. It won't be my last. It's like a medium hot. I'm gonna make it down so sweat a little bit. I gotta show y'all another piece of this mom. See how it looks.
Peppers on top of the damn pepperoni. You see this shit? That's when you know it's good. That's when you know it's good.
We got wings. I almost forgot about the wings.
Shit, I ain't forget about them wings. Not me. Watch
These
this
right
nigga.
here.
Ooh.
Buffalo burning. God damn.
You can't tell me them motherfucker don't look good.
God damn. Buffalo burning.
Look at him.
Let me take a bite of this motherfucker.
The dog is shit. Look how he look at it. Look how he look at it.
Sometimes you gotta pop them so they can be quiet. Come on, food go. Alright. Anyway, Parmesan. Try the Parmesan out. Parmesan wing. Like some fell off of it, but we're gonna go for it. Whew. Let me tell y'all something. I don't normally eat Pizza Hut. But when I do, god damn. Ooh. Spicy low. Whew. I gotta try them. No, gotta try them. Oh, well. We gotta do. You gotta do. I'm telling you. Cause if you don't, no trying to run, but I'm gonna keep going. The spice is fucking with me. Like, I saw other people doing this. So I decided to do it too. I love to eat. Why not do it for the camera? My girl said, baby, go ahead and do it. But fuck, I want a piece of that. Of course, I gotta say her something. Y'all gotta try to eat Parmesan, man. Golden. We want to eat first. We want to eat. I want to try you a pepper.
I ain't want no smoke with that mug. I threw it back on the what? Pizza. At this point, I knew it was over with for me, man. And still ain't got no damn water.